Have you ever been at PBI and thought, I wonder what it would be like to be a baggage handler for a day? No? Well, too bad, because we're going to show you what it's like to be one for a day. So, as you can see here, one of the roles that baggage handlers have is marshaling the aircraft and pushing the plane out of the gate. It's a complicated process that they have to do, but it's a crucial role to keep the airport efficient. Personally, I feel like it'd be too much to handle, no pun intended. Here, you can see the baggage handler calling in the aircraft and marshaling it forward, bringing it forward to get connected to the gate. Then here's the classic part of the job that you think of when you hear of a baggage handler. One of the main jobs that they have to do is unload the baggage into the bag cart and drop them into the designated area. People may think it's a simple process, but there's a whole process behind it. There's special procedures for oversized, fragile, or late arriving luggage. They have to be separated from regular baggage and counted as priority bags, and they're handled with more caution as well. Here's another part of the process where the baggage handler has to unload more suitcases and bring them to the designated area. So they have a lot of different jobs of basically just ensuring that the baggage gets to the place that it belongs. Baggage handlers, they have to drive around to get places faster, and it can be a joy to go on these drives, as you can see here. It's a great way to get around the runway faster and just go on a drive. Here's a baggage handler throwing 2 thumbs up while he's driving around the runway. Clearly having a great time while he's on the job. Baggage handlers say that the most challenging part of their job is battling through the weather, because a lot of times in South Florida, it gets really hot. And no matter how hot or cold it gets, you must finish the flight in a timely manner. Here's the baggage claim over here that you guys all know and love. If it wasn't for these baggage handlers that we're talking about doing their job and ensuring that all luggage gets to the place that it needs to be, then you will be waiting for your luggage for a long time at baggage claim. We hope you enjoy this day in the life. Don't forget to subscribe and drop a comment if we should do more of these.